I've never seen anyone who achieved extraordinary success that did not discover their strength and keep working on it. Have you ever seen someone who is very successful and said, I discovered my weaknesses, that was why I was successful? So the first thing is to know who you are. Yes, so I want you to go home today and do this exercise. Think about your past successes. What you've done so well, write it down. I did this in 2007, and that was the beginning of my journey as a writer and as a speaker. Then ask yourself, where do you want to be the next 5, 10, 15, 20 years of your life? In the next 10 years, if you win, what are the 2 grand achievements do you want to be known for, celebrated for? I know in the next 10 years, then you have the opportunity to reach a soccer league. Wow! International author, speaker, pharmacist, and an entrepreneur. Can you define your purpose with life? Know yourself. Because let me give you this secret. The more you know yourself, the more you will be more successful. If you want to build a 3-bedroom bungalow, you just need a small foundation. But if you want to be all there stories skyscraper, you need to dig deep. The more you dig deep, the more you know. Let me talk about the 2 second fundamental. Be informed. Yes, be informed. Because be informed. Because information leads to transformation. Please write this down. Information leads to transformation. Insight propels foresight. If you are informed, you will never be deformed. And in this digital age, if you are not updated, even if you are anointed, you will be outdated. Because knowledge is power, and the application of the right knowledge is the ultimate power. Let me make it practical, because I believe in practicality. So, I have my small phone here. Please don't make sense of me. I know you are using iPhone 6, BlackBerry passport. You know, I'm just. So, but I can make calls with this phone, yes? I can text, yes? But you know, without the battery, it's so useless. Whether it's iPhone 6, BlackBerry passport, or Samsung S7. The same thing applies to us. Everything we need to live a fulfilling, rich, colorful, noble, and wonderful life is already deposited within us. But it is through personal development, learning, unlearning, and relearning, we can bring this to 4 in order to achieve our full potentials and make a difference. And you know the most interesting thing about this? For your phone to be relevant, you have to keep charging on a regular basis, if not on a daily basis. And if you are lucky, you are using a BlackBerry like me, you charge your phone on a daily. The same thing applies to you. You must keep learning on a daily basis. Keep growing, keep improving, keep evolving, because there is always a better